In my last apartment, we had a power outage, and I wasn't prepared for it. It was so dark, and there were children that was sort of panicked. So I called the building management and tried to get them as soon as possible, but they didn't come, in the time frame that we wanted. My name is Mary McDonald, and I am a new resident at the Kenzi Apartments in Roxbury, Mass. I have lived in Roxbury for most of my life, for about, well over 40 years.
Each one of these is a cell for the battery. By having a battery in a senior property specifically, there's a lot of residents that have oxygen machines, need to refrigerate medication, charge scooters, so sort of maybe a medically vulnerable resident would have access to power nonstop. It would be uninterrupted. So we're on the roof of the Kenzi. This is the solar panels. This is the PV array that is connected to our battery system. Inverters are on the wall over there with the disconnect. Having to relocate in a power outage is, I think, traumatic, especially at POAH properties where seniors are the residents. It's so much more important for them to have access to spaces that are continually powered. The Clean Energy Group Technical Assistance Program provided us cost analysis and technical assistance in order to make the case that we could use a battery for emergency backup and wouldn't affect our costs dramatically.
As for me, it does give me a sense of security because I know that I could still fluidly do what I'm doing, charge my cell phone, do whatever I need to do. I think that's wonderful for all of us, especially those who need it with medical issues.